11 ways to understand child psychology. Every parent tries to make our child better trained than other children. But we do not know the right way to educate children. As a result, our children begin to prioritize the wrong things in society, and parents realize their mistake when the child goes out of their control. Then there is no solution but to repent. To avoid this problem, follow our instructions. 1. Keep track of your child's activities. This child will help you assess how your child eats and how to interact with others. You will be aware of its many strengths. 2. Observe or whether it takes the time or interest more quickly to change in your child. All babies are different figures and do not possess the same strengths. Remember every child. 3. If your child is jealous, this means that you can always keep comparing it to others, so that the look of the child, how he is, how to look at this baby. 4. If the child means that you understand it rather than just the errors it does, much scolding and scolding understanding the element is lying to you. 5. Focus on creating confidence in your child's education. If the child's nature is fighting and angry, most of all children learn from their parents and other family members. 6. If the child does not stand on my feet, I sat up and said, this means that the child is not the way to talk. But the child never gets siblings, cousins and friends to not tell, in the sense of inferiority. 7. If the child does not share your things with you, and you have avoided going, that does not mean that the atmosphere between you and the child, you are very angry with the child. 8. If your child is afraid, it means that much to you very soon in this work, it was not anything. The removal of obstacles from its path, otherwise the child will be dependent on others of all ages. 9. If your child is pestering you to intentionally do this, means that you do not time it and it ignore. It's a small pleasure, do not get involved with it. 10. If your child does not appreciate the feelings of others, maybe why it's important that you always order. Do not feel the emotions they want. 11. If you buy something for the baby, she was taken to mean that it wants to buy anything else, make things, you let him do it himself, but your choice is padded.